Okay, so last night, Thursday night for homework, you had a unit test review. Hopefully you're watching this video after you've done your homework or in class on Friday. Feel free, if I go too fast, to pause at any point and check your answers. So with the directions on the first six, the evens you were to estimate, and the odds you were to do in terms of pi.
All lockers and students being picked up may now be dismissed.
All right. So let's start with the odds in terms of pi. So we'll do these three first. So for the volume of a cylinder, the first thing you do is write the formula.
Isaiah Leonard, please report to the main office.
And sorry about that interruption. So you have volume equals, leave pi in terms of pi. The radius squared here is going to be 3 squared times the height of 12. 3 squared is 9, and 9 times 12 is 108. So the answer here is 108 pi miles cubed. Number 3, same deal here, except now we're going to divide by 3. So volume equals, leave pi. The radius is not 10. A lot of you do that. The radius is 5, so it's 5 squared. And the height is 13, all divided by 3. So 5 squared is 25, and 25 times 13 is 325 pi divided by 3. And that leaves you with a fraction answer of 108.3 pi centimeters cubed. Number 5. Here, the formula is much different. The radius is 13, so it's volume equals 4 pi radius to the third power, so that's going to be a really big number, divided by 3. 13 to the third power times 4 is 8,788 pi divided by 3, which gives you 2,929.3 pi feet cubed. All right. Next up, you have numbers 2, 4, 6. We're actually going to use 3.14 for pi. So here, 3.14 times 10 squared, because again, it's half of that 20, times the height of 8. Excuse me, that's a 4. 3.14 times 100 times 8. When you do that in your calculator, you get 2,512 meters cubed. Number 4. Here, we get 3.14. The radius for this one, of course, is 8 squared times height divided by 3. And my height here is 16. Don't know why I didn't put that in. So that gives you 3.14 times 64 times 16 divided by 3. The numerator here comes out to 3,215.36 divided by 3 gives you an answer of 1,071.79 inches cubed. And then in the last one for the homework on the front side, you have a sphere again. So I'll plug in what I know. I have 4 times 3.14 times 8 to the third power, all divided by 3. Remember, that's 8 times 8 times 8. So when you do the numerator in your calculator, you get 6,430.72 divided by 3. And that gives you 2,143.6 yards cubed. All right, on the back, if you want to quickly look at function, not a function, basically we're just trying to see if any of these functions or relationships have x repeating. So number 7, if you look at the x values, none of them repeat, so that's a function. Number 8, it's pretty clear right here with the 2 and the 2. Those repeat, so that's not a function.
Mr. Holden, please report to the main office. Mr. Holden to the main office.
And number 9, the negative 8s repeat, so that's B, not a function. Here, you can see if this is your inputs, these are your x's. This 15 goes to 2 numbers, so that's like writing negative 15, negative 17, and negative 15, negative 10. So the x repeats, so that's not a function. And then over here for the bottom questions, pretty simple. You're doing the vertical line test for all of them. And you're looking to see how many times you can make a vertical line go through each. So if you look at the first three, you can see here it only goes through once, so it's a function. Here, this little fishy looking shape goes through twice, so it's not a function. And here it goes through, no matter how I draw my line, it only goes through once, so it's a function. And then down here at the bottom, it goes through once no matter what, so that one's a function. 15, not only is it a function, it's one of our favorite functions. It's a linear function. And number 16, I can make it go through twice here, maybe even there. So this one is not a function. Hope this helped you prepare for the unit test. If you still are struggling, ask questions in class, or you could also stay after on Monday. Thank you. This makes me very happy.